Yes, boss. 4:44 the world back in here again once again. Good morning. Glad to see you guys. Hope everybody doing well. It's Wednesday, halfway through the week. You know what I'm saying? In today's topic, we're gonna be talking about not really like part of let things go. It's like process of elimination. I already talked about that. Process of elimination and making better choices in life, right? Now, you know how sometimes in life there are people who hold on to things who no longer serve them. They keep people in their life like they're holding on to draw four and Uno. Like they just want to leave them there. No new friends, nobody. This is my day one. And sometimes these people don't understand that the people that they have around them thinking that they have their best interests at heart, they don't. So it's going to take some lessons to hit you for you to really open up your eyes fully and understand, yo, you weren't my friend or you weren't there for me. You know what I'm saying? You got to take things for face value and kind of believe what it is that people show you. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, all right, let's say you got a friend, right? They a little bit grimy, right? But you're like, oh, my friend's so real. He with it. He this, that, and the third. He'll go to war for me, right? You seen them go ahead and disrespect somebody and backdoor them and be shysty. Guess what? They just didn't do it to you. You get what I'm saying? It's because you're in another section. But don't think it can happen to you, because whenever people show you who they are, believe it the first time and just keep it moving. You get what I'm saying? Sometimes I don't know if it's that thing where on the inside we like, yo, I don't believe it. Let me just look a little bit longer. Let me hold on a little bit longer to see if I'm making the right choice. But you know it and you feel it on the inside, yo, I shouldn't be around this person. But then when y'all get caught up into some BS or drama or it's something that it's like, dog, it didn't have to be this way. It take that for you to get burned to realize, yo, that was the person you should have never been hanging around. Now, when you get to that stage, it's like, yo, how couldn't I not have caught on to this? You did. You just didn't want to believe it. Sometimes I don't know if it's like we're like, yo, we didn't get burned. They got burned. So let's see how longer we can go on with this. Nah. If people do shicey stuff to somebody else, just know that they'll do it to you. You get what I'm saying? They're just waiting for a reason. And not only that, here's another thing. I'm not telling you guys to cut off everybody and you're there. Me, I'm just that cutthroat, so I don't really care. But you have to know where to place people. It's just like, example, you got a friend that loves to party, right? You the type of person that's business oriented, goal oriented, all of that, right? That friend that's a party person, I'm just keeping it G with you, bruh. That person should be left in a party atmosphere. Oh, you want to go turn up and have fun? That's when you go call that friend. You get what I'm saying? You can't mix a friend like that into the business world and all of that. Not saying you can't, but certain people that's always on playtime, everything is lit. Ooh, I'm having fun. They don't understand hard work and blood, sweat, and tears. Not saying they don't put it in themselves, but to go the extra mile to get to that next level, they're not going to be willing to put in that work. You get what I'm saying? Reason being is because everything is lit time. They comfy. You get what I'm saying? It take for them to be put in a stuck, messed up predicament to where they're like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and let me make a change. Not this isn't what I want to do anymore, right? And that's how things, it's kind of sucky that way, you know. We as people don't really want to grind or go to that next level unless it's like that pressure's really on. You get what I'm saying? And it shouldn't really have to be that way. The choices that we make in life can definitely help us or hurt us in the long run. You have to be careful. It's just like if you chose to live wild and reckless with too much free will from an early age, you're going to continue down that path. Too much free will, reckless. And it's going to take a hard time for you to slow it down. Because remember, once you pick up a habit or a bad habit is kind of hard to drop. So let's make sure that you just practice good habits, you know? And don't put yourself in a situation where you're going to have to make a bad choice or You don't know what it is you need to do. I can't think straight, right? Process of elimination. So now, when you think of process of elimination, you should think about school automatically, right? You taking a test. The test got a question. Question got four possible answers, right? And you looking like, dog, I don't know which one it is. But if you read the chapter, you read the passage, you should be able to answer those questions. When I think about it, I was like, in school, I think we had different type of tests. Like the one we needed to graduate was called the FCAT. Never did too well on the FCAT. Never did. I don't know what it was, but it's like I just couldn't figure things out. And then I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it was my brother's wife's mom. My brother's mother-in-law, right? She's an English teacher. She was teaching me and telling me, Damar, if you want to pass the test, look closely. Sometimes they're gonna throw in little keywords that might lead you away from what the real answer is, but just look the answers in front of you. And guess what? Me taking that method and really practicing and understanding allowed me to see something. It's just like with people, and this is where the confusion comes in. A lot of people can't make good choices because there are sometimes people that's fooling them or throwing them off, because these eyes that we have are very much untrained. So you gotta look in a different kind of way in order to get the answer to what it is that you're looking for. Example, you know you got plans for your life, or you got a mission or a goal somewhere that you gotta be. You cannot be hanging around reckless people. That's one of the main things I could tell you as a process of elimination. Reckless people don't have no problem in taking you down, bro, and stopping you from where it is that you want to go. Make the right choices. You have to understand as well that once people don't have proper guidance or grounded in the word of God and know what the truth is, guess what? There's no problem in them trying to take you down, bro. There are some people, they're very comfortable when everybody is on their set level, just like this, right? Everybody is on one set level. The minute one person decides, you know what, I want to get out of here and move up, they're like, nah, the hell you think you is? And that's so stupid. Because a person decided that they want to grow, it's like they're a problem. There shouldn't be anything wrong in growing, bro. Nothing wrong in growing. We have to grow in life. We have to grow up. We have to change. We have to do more in life. Life isn't about peaches and cream and all of that. Here's another freebie how you can figure out and use process of elimination, right? In this lifetime, we're gonna have to work hard. You're gonna have to work hard for something, right? You're gonna have to work hard. Remember that. You'll have a friend that's like, oh, how comes you got this and how comes you got that? But their work ethic don't match yours. Certain people like that, you can't really have them around you because they look at you as a threat. Why is it that you would look at me as a threat when you have the same 24? It's just the choices people make. That's another thing. People will be mad at you for the choices that you make because you want to make good choices to get the best results. You can't make piss poor decisions and expect that you're going to have all the wonderful, sparkly, glittery things in the world. I never heard of nothing going that way in life, bro. Never. That's why you have so much people out here who try to cheat destiny or use black magic, or, you know what, I've been living real reckless. Let me stop. And then you realize, yo, I'm really on a downward spiraling trend and I can't stop. Oh my God, really, I'm reckless. Then it goes to the point where you don't want to stop. Let me take other people with you. Be very careful, because some people don't have no law and order, and some people, they don't really care about you. Pay attention. If a person don't care about themselves, why would they care about you? Just like you trying to find love from a person that don't love themselves. If they don't love themselves, they can't love you correctly. You get what I'm saying? Process of elimination. Just make sure you use discernment. Discernment. Hey, yo, let's go hit a lick. Let's go do this. Nah. It ain't that type of time. It ain't that type of season. Use common sense, bruh. The more you stray away from using common sense, the more it's gonna come back and it's gonna haunt you, bruh. Everybody got a thought process. People just choose not to use it. The society we're living in right now, they want people to be lost, stuck, and dumb, and don't have no thought process at all, bruh. Nothing beats hard work. Nothing beats blood, sweat, and tears. And when you got God in your life, you're automatically guaranteed a W. But at the end of the day in life, you have to know how to make good choices in order to get good results. You can't be out here chilling around bad mind people, and then when you get something good, expect that they're not going to hate you for what it is that you have. You hang around a bunch of bad mind people. You can't expect to be a negative Nancy or a Debbie Downer and want to have non-miserable people around you, and then next thing you know, you're not gonna drive those people away. Yeah, you're miserable as hell. Those people don't want to be around you. Reality sets in when the piss poor people that made piss poor decisions find themselves around more piss poor people like themselves. That's when they start to realize, yo, my life spiraled out of control. And there's no absolute way for you to save it. You don't want to hold yourself accountable. You don't want to move forward. You don't even want to try and make the change. Notice and understand this. The longer you take to try and make a better choice, the longer you take to realize what's in front of you, the longer it's going to take for you to turn your life around, and time is going to get away from you. A lot of people let their good years get by them and they still not trying to make a better choice in life, bro. Stop doing the foolishness and do what it is that you know you need to do to get to the next level. Stop hanging around people that don't serve you, bro. Certain people you know is not going to help you. Don't bring them people around. Remember, it's the saying, everybody can't go with you. Everybody cannot go with you. That's true. If you've been working hard your whole life and this person been on BS, guess what? No, that's my friend. I want to bring them around me. Guess what? Next thing you know, y'all find yourself in a situation where y'all dealing with people on a professional level, and that same person with no hard work, no ethics, just probably ruin your deal or something, or ruin a potential business partner because they don't understand ethics, or I felt like they trying us. Nah, that street stuff is not gonna help you out in the real corporate world. It's just only gonna stifle you and drown you, bro. Remember that certain things are tactics used to help destroy people and keep them in a very messed up and stuck predicament. All right. With that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Damar. 444 the world, man. Do a lot of positivity. Do a lot of good. Help somebody, love yourself, love somebody. Make it an easy work week, dog. I'm about to go in today, deal with the slaving, you know. That being said, 444 the world, peace.